Okay, gonna get the ball rolling here. First thing you do is buy your 10-pound sack of Irish potatoes. Next thing you do, pour them out and wash them and get ready to cut the bad spots out. There's a bad spot right there, the one I'm pointing at. This is a tool. I bought this. It's a needle sheet that you can get like at Walmart in the sewing department where they sell a sewing thread. And go there and look for something you can put your needles in. Stick your needle down in it. Anyway, you get about 3 of these in a pack. They're about like 10 by 10 or something like that. I don't really remember because I had a piece I cut this out of to fit in my hand and put the potato in it so I can twist it with one hand. I got it sticking out enough I can twist it with one hand, switch it around and twist it with the other end, about 3 or 4 rotating, and that'll clean that tater up real good. Just like that right there. Put your tater in it, hold it firm, and rotate it with the other hand. That right there, they're almost clean. Now I'm gonna get ready and cut the bad spots out. This right here, I'm moving right along with the cleaning. That right there, I'm still cleaning them. That right there, I'll cut the bad spots out, and deep down there's still a little spot in the tater, so go there and clean all of that out, and then mark it okay to go to the next step. There's little spots like that, so I'll get those cut out. And here's the peelings that I took off all the 10 pounds of taters, and it really didn't even get a full for the peeling it off. I just where the bad spots was or whatever. And the taters, they come out real clean. If you use this tool right here, you can make it yourself to fit in your hand, and so you leave enough room for the tater stick out so you can grab it with the other hand and spin it and hold it firm with the other hand holding the tool with the tater in it, and it really cleans good. You just have to try to make your little tool and you'll be glad you did. That's the way they clean up, nice and pretty and clean. This right here, I'm cutting them in halves, and then I'm going to cut the halves in half. There you go. So you got like 4 wedges of that one potato. Right here, if your potato's pretty thick, pretty big, and the wedges, 4 wedges, maybe it'd be a little bit too big, you want to keep all your wedges and the slices about the same thickness so they all cook evenly, and you can cook them all like 30 minutes at 425 degrees, and they'll come out just perfect. This one right over here, that's 4 out of 1 potato. It's another potato, and I'm gonna I cut 3 slices, then I'm gonna split the slices, and it turned out 6 wedges out of 1 potato. 4 1 potato, 6 1 potato, which was bigger than the other one, and they all come out about the same size. And then I also took some of the bigger potatoes and I cut them in cookie size, about that size, like that's a little bit thicker than 1/4 of an inch, and that works real good, and it's easier than making the wedges with a knife. You don't have no danger of cutting yourself. I got the wedges there, and I got the cookie size here. This is the wedges. See, the water's a little stale here. Done washed them about 3 or 4 times, so I can still wash it one more time so the water come out pretty clear, but you got a lot of starch and stuff in the taters after you cut them. So it does good to wash a lot of that out, and you don't have as much fattening in it. And this is a little cookie size right here. Did the same thing to them. Same thing, the cookie size. This is the wedges. And that's all. This right here, they've been cooking for 30 minutes at 425, and they little cookie size. This is the wedges, and they was cooking the same amount. And they taste so good. I put that coconut oil on them, and I put it on before I cook them. I just brush across the top with a little brush, and that really makes them good. It tastes like potatoes out of the bag that you buy in the store. So you're gonna have to try them. And this is the way I store them. I put them in some quart bags like this, and then the bag on each side there has been vacuum pulled, and I vacuum pull it with a straw, put it in the bag, and snug it down with my finger right there, and suck it out, pull the straw out, and they're ready to go in the freezer. Of course, this is the time, 30 minutes at 425. Got to try it, folks. You'll just love it. And what I like about it, you can just get you a few out whenever you want them. Yeah, you can do it at a meal, you can do it in between meals. Put it in the microwave for a minute and a half, you're ready to eat. Catch y'all on the next one.